Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the Milwaukee Comfort Grip High Leverage Lineman's Pliers with Crimper. So let's look at it. Part number is 48-22-6100. I bought this at Home Depot. So we can see the front of it. We got a little bit of description here. It's a Crimper flash tape wire. Let's flip it around. As you can see, they have 3 different versions of this. I got the 6100. There's 3 other ones that you can get, but this is the one I chose since I use it just for around the house when I need leverage. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we have. All right, let's look and see what we have. Milwaukee. Flip it around, look at it. There's the Crimpers. If you look here, it's got a little bit of jagged teeth. They're a little stiff, but I think with time they will get softer. Let's go ahead and try doing some cuts with this and see how it does. This is regular electrical indoor cable for electrical outlets or whatever. Cuts right through it with no problems, like butter. You can see it from that side. We'll try the other side. I think it does good. One more time. Alrighty, everybody. There you go. That's the Milwaukee Pliers cut through this like butter, hopefully. This has been a quick look at the Milwaukee Lineman's Pliers with Crimp. All right, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know your thoughts. Okay. Hope everybody can subscribe, like the video, and we'll talk to everybody on the next unboxing and tool review. Have a great day.